days, but whoever of you is ill or on our journey, they let them fast on equal number of days after Ramadan. For those who can only fast with extreme difficulty, compensation can be made by feeding a needy person for every day not fasted. But whenever volunteers to give more, it is better for them, and to fast is better for you, if only you know. Here it has been stated, when you are ill or on a journey, then you can reduce the fast, or either you are failed to continue the fast. The compensation, a needy person every day, feeding a needy person every day. And why the fast is reduced in the journey day? Because at that time Muhammad was engaged in the robbery or the looting the caravans of the non-Muslims. So Islam has much respect for the robbery, killing, and the violence and the rape or the molestation of the non-Muslim woman instead of the fasting. Fasting is not essential, but robbery or looting the wealth is very essential in Islam if the persecuted persons are the non-Muslims. So Islam is a Gunism, hooliganism against the non-Muslims. Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was revealed as a guide of humanity. This is the controversy. When the Quran revealed in 23 years, then how it can be possible that the Quran revealed on the Ramadan? This is the fair injustice. With dear proof of the guidance, there is no proof at all, no guidance at all. This is the guidance to kill the non-Muslims. This is the good guidance of the Quran to rape with the non-Muslim women and looted them, captured them, kidnapped them, and after captured them, intercourse with them without their consent. This is the teaching of the Islam. This is the humanity. 186 क्या कहती है? What is 168 of Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2? When my servants ask you, O Prophet, about me, I am truly near. I respond to one's prayer when they all call upon me. So let them respond with obedience to me and believe in me. Perhaps they will guide it to the right way. Here is Muhammad is a agent of Allah.